apparently they're getting a whole ship just to accommodate everyone. Because there's not enough hotels, not enough this, there's not enough anything.
And the money don't go to us.
Yeah, fuck, bro. But the boat is getting the fucking money, lad. This is good for our economy.
That's why we're responsible to create our own tradition in today.
Yeah.
That whole decolonization shit.
Have to break away from this.
That whole Magai bullshit.
Yeah. All that land shit, like all this save the planet shit. Leave that for the outside countries.
Scared money don't make money. Scared move, scared culture.
Yeah.
Scared culture do not survive.
Yeah. And like fuck, we go through it. We go through it with our projects because whenever we have a project, there'll be a family member that tries to stop it.
There's always local Hangakans.
Always.
And it's always some guy who's like, oh, I have my power. And they're like 3 years from dying.
And then people will say shit like this. Yeah, eoki wha, faisisi fongo. Shut the fuck up, bro.
Like that shit is shit.
Old ass mentality. Like, imagine, like, you want to do a fucking project, but then someone comes up there and goes, you have to wait until he dies.
What the fuck?
You have to wait until that. Just that.
Kill him already, then. What the fuck, bro? Wait. You see what I'm saying? He's got no use, lad. Neck him, lad. What the fuck?
Assassinate the guy. Nah, we can't do that. We can't fucking wait, bro.
Bro, and then this other thing that you goes, oh, those are outside stuff.
Yes.
You don't live inside a bubble.
Yes.
You are part of the world.
Yeah.
If you don't accept the change that some of your people that was born over there, come over here, learn a life, come over there, trying to bring the best of it. If you don't accept these changes, Kukuwila's gonna take it, Tonga's gonna take it.
Look,
Fiji's gonna take it.
We could have accommodated all these people.
But the boat did.
But now the boat is gonna fucking take probably 5,000 of them. Lad, that 5,000 could have came to the fucking country.
And it's like 200 tala per